How to use Bluetooth headphone on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to use Bluetooth headphone on Discord. In order to use a Bluetooth headphone on Discord, you'll have to make sure that the Bluetooth headphone is properly connected to your device. Now, in order to connect the Bluetooth headphone, all you have to do is swipe down and then open up your Bluetooth. And once you do that, you'll be able to see a list of Bluetooth devices that's available. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap the particular device that you wish to connect, and once you're done connecting it, go ahead and open up your Discord as well. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, and right over here tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner. While you're on this page, go to profile icon or tap the profile icon. After that, go to the gear icon from the top right and go to, and then scroll down right to the bottom and go to app settings. After that, you can just go ahead and adjust the sound, such as output sound, just by dragging towards the left hand side or towards the right hand side whatsoever. And that's basically how you can use Bluetooth headphone on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.